Hi, I'm Christine and I'm the wind energy instructor for UTI. In this course, as a student, you will be putting on a harness and a hard hat, all your safety gear, climbing a massive tower, and entering here where we are in the nacelle. Here we have all our major components. You're going to learn how all of these work together to produce energy for local cities and cities basically all over the US. Just to basically give you a rundown, you got your rotor, you got your main shaft gear, you have a generator, a high-speed shaft, just a couple of things that you're going to be going over in this course. As a student, it'll be exciting. You'll be learning how to rappel off a tower in case of emergency situation. So I hope to see you all soon.